Hi students, today we are going to discuss the topic the factorial. The factorial of n is the factorial of n, that is it is denoted by n factorial or factorial of n. How to find the factorial of n or n factorial is the product of n natural number. The product of n natural number is a factorial n. That is n factorial equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 and so on etc. multiply n times into n. The product of n natural number, that is a n factorial. Next write here 5 factorial means 5 factorial is the product of 5 factorial. Product of 5 factorial. The product of 5 natural number. Product of 5 natural number. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 is the 5 factorial. The next one, writing n factorial equal to, now reduce the form is n factorial is n into n minus 1 factorial. N into n minus 1 factorial, where n is greater than 1. The next one, writing n factorial is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial, where n is greater than 2. Now subtract the value n minus 1, subtract the value n minus 2, next one n minus 3, n minus 4 up to etc. Where n is greater than 2 is n into n minus 1, n minus 2 factorial. That is the n factorial. Now writing the 0 factorial. 0 factorial value is 1. 0 factorial value equal to 1. How to find the 0 factorial value 1? That is the 0 factorial value 1 is, we can prove n plus 1 factorial, n plus 1 factorial equal to n plus 1 subtract the 1, n plus 1 into n factorial. N plus 1 factorial, how to write? N plus 1 subtract 1 plus 1 minus 1 cancel, that is n factorial. N plus 1 into n factorial. Put the value n values is 0. Put the value n values is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1 factorial equal to, next one, put the value n value is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1 into n factorial. Into n factorial, here n is 0, that is 0 factorial. Now find 0 factorial. 0 factorial equal to 1 factorial by 1. Is 0 factorial equal to value is 1. The 0 factorial value equal to 1. Now discuss exercise problem. Exercise problem 4.1. Find the value of 6 factorial. First one 6 factorial, 4 factorial plus 5 factorial. Third one 3 factorial minus 2 factorial, and fourth one 3 factorial into 4 factorial. First now find 6 factorial. 6 factorial equal to the product of 6 natural numbers. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. This is 6 factorial. 1 2s are 2, 3 4s are 12, 12 into 2 24, 24 into 5, 24 into 30, 30 into 24, 24 into 30, 4 3s are 12, remaining 1, 3 2s are 6, 720. 6 factorial value is 720. Next one, the second result, that is first one, and the second one result 4 factorial plus 5 factorial equal to 4 factorial plus 5 factorial. This 4 factorial, the product of 4 natural numbers plus 5 factorial is the product of 5 natural numbers. Already write in here 5 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. The 1 into 3 into 4 is, that is a 4 factorial. 4 factorial into 5. Write in here 5 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. 1 2 3 4 is there, that is a 4 factorial into 5. Where 4 factorial is common. 4 factorial is common, taking outside 4 factorial into 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5. This is a 4 factorial value. 4 factorial value 1 2 3 4. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 1 plus 5 is 6. 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 4 24, 24 into 6, 24 into 6, 6 4, 24 remaining 2, 6 2s are 12, 144. This answer is 144. The second one. And third one 3 factorial minus 2 factorial, that is equal 3 factorial is 3 factorial. Now write in a 1 2 3, 1 into 2 into 3, where 1 into 2 is 2 factorial, 2 factorial into 3 minus 2 factorial. 2 factorial is common, taking outside 2 factorial into 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1. 2 factorial values is 1 into 2, 3 minus 1 is 2, it is 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. That is 3 factorial minus 2 factorial value is 4. And the fourth one, 3 factorial into 3 factorial into 4 factorial equal to 3 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. 1 into 2 into 3 multiply 4 factorial. 4 factorial 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. 1 2 3 4. 3 factorial value 6 into 4 factorial value, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. 24 into 6, 24 into 6, 144. 3 factorial into 4 factorial value is 144. Next, fifth one, 12 factorial by 9 factorial into 3 factorial. Write in fifth one, 12 factorial by 9 factorial into 3 factorial equal to 12 factorial. Write in 1 2 3 is the product of 12 natural numbers, 1 into 2 into 3 and so on etc. 12. Now write in 9 factorial into 10 11 12 by 9 factorial. Write in 9 factorial into 3 factorial. 3 factorial value already you know, 3 factorial 1 into 2 into 3 is 6. Now cancel the value 9 factorial values is cancelled. And next one 6 and 12, 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12. Remaining values 10 into 11, 11 into 2, 22, 22 into 10, 220. That is the answer is 220. And the sixth one, sixth problem, n plus 3 factorial by n plus 1 factorial. N plus 3 factorial by n plus 1 factorial. Now write in n plus 3 factorial. N plus 3 factorial is, write in n plus 3 into n plus 2, n plus 2, subtract 1, n plus 3, reduce the values, n plus 3, n plus 2, next one, n plus 1 factorial, n plus 1 factorial. So denominator is n plus 1, so n plus 1 is n of n plus 1 factorial is divided by n plus 1 factorial, n plus 1 factorial. Now n plus 1 factorial cancel, remaining value n plus 3 into n plus 2. This answer is n plus 3 into n plus 2. Next one, exercise 4.1, fifth question. Evaluate n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. The first problem, put the value n equal to 6 and r equal to 2. Substituting. It is n factorial. N is 6 factorial by r. Here r values is 2 factorial into n minus r. N minus r is 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4 factorial equal 6 factorial. Write in a 6 factorial. Reduce the form is 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. 6 factorial is product of 6 natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. There 4 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. By where 4 factorial is denominator is 4 factorial, that is 4 factorial is enough. 2 factorial, where 2 factorial values is 1 into 2. That is 2 factorial is 1 into 2 is 2 into 4 factorial. Into 4 factorial, 4 factorials are cancelled. Next one 6 into 5 by 2, 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6, 5 3s are 15. The answer is 15. And the second problem, that is the first one. And the second one, put the value n equal to 10. 10 factorial by r values is 3. 3 factorial into n minus r. Here n values is 10, 10 minus 3, 10 minus 3, 7. This 7 factorial equal Next, writing a 10 factorial in reduce the form is denominator value is 7 factorial. Now writing a 10 factorial reduce the form 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial. This is 7 factorial, the product of 7 natural number 1, 2, 3 up to etc. 7. That is 7 factorial by 3 factorial. 3 factorial value is 6. 1 into 2 into 3. This 6 into 7 factorial. This 7 factorial shall cancel. Remaining the value 10 into 9 into 8 by 6. 6 table. Numerator denominator is divided by 2. That is a 2 table or 3 table. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Next again 2 table cancel. 1 2s are 2. 4 2s are 8. Next one 3 4s are 12. 12 into 10. 12 into 10 is 120. That is the answer is 120. Second one. And third one result. Third one, for any n with r equal to 2, find the value of n factorial by r factorial n minus r factorial. For any n, we say n is same n factorial by, here r values is 2. 2 factorial into n minus r values is 2, n minus 2 factorial. N minus 2 factorial. Write it n factorial by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial. Now writing the n factorial reduce the form is subtract 1. N factorial is n into n minus 1, n minus 2 factorial by denominator is n minus 2 factorial. So n minus 2 it is enough. N minus 2 factorial by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial. N minus 2 factorial, n minus 2 factorial cancel. The remaining n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial values is 2. Is n into n minus 1 by 2. That is the answer is n into n minus 1 by 2. Next one, 16th problem. Find the value of n if n plus 1 factorial equal to 20 into n minus 1 factorial. First one solution. N plus 1 factorial. N plus 1 factorial. Now write in here n plus 1 factorial in a reduced form. N plus 1 into, subtract the 1. Subtract the value is 1. N plus 1 minus 1 is n. Next one, subtract the value n minus 1. N minus 1 factorial equal to, the right hand side value is n minus 1 factorial. So n minus 1 factorial is enough. 20 into n minus 1 factorial. Now cancel the value n minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 factorial cancel. The remaining n plus 1 into n multiply n into n is n square. N square plus n equal to 20. 20 this side minus 20 equal to 0. N square plus n minus 20 is a quadratic equation. Now factorize minus 20. 5 4s are 20. Center value is positive value. Get the smallest value is negative. 5 into minus 4 is minus 20. Add the two values. 5 minus 4 is 1. So the factors are n plus 5 into n minus 4 equal to 0. N equal to minus 5 is not possible. N minus 5 is not possible. N minus 4 equal to 0. Here n value is 4. N value 4. Therefore the value of n equal to 4. Value of n is 4. And the second problem, 1 by 8 factorial, that is second one. 1 by 8 factorial plus 1 by 9 factorial equal to n by 10 factorial. And find the value of n. 1 by 8 factorial plus 1 by 9 factorial. 9 factorial is the product of 9 natural numbers. So writing the 9 factorial is 8 factorial into 9. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6, 7, 8 into 9. Where 8 is 1 to 8 is 8 factorial. 8 factorial into 9 equal to n by 10 factorial is 1 to 8. 1 to 8 is 8 factorial. This 8 factorial into 9 into 10. 9 into 10. So 1 by 8 factorial is common. 1 by 8 factorial is common. Take outside. This 1 plus 1 by 9 equal n by 1 by 8 factorial. 1 by 8 factorial into n by 9 into 10. N by 9 into 10. 1 by 8 factorial, 1 by 8 factorials are cancelled. Taking LCM, the cross multiply, 1 9s are 9, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 by 9 equal to n by 9 into 10. 9 into 10 is a 90. That is a 90. Now find the value of n. Here n equal, therefore n equal to 90 the sides. The side 10 into 90 by 9. Now cancel the value. 1 9s are 9, 10, 10 into 10, 100. That is n equal to 100. Therefore the value of n equal to 100. Next one example 4.2 or prove that 2n factorial by n factorial equal to 2 power n into 1 into 3 into 5 and so on etc. 2n minus 1. Taking LHS equal to RHS. To prove LHS equal to RHS, 2n factorial by n factorial equal to 2n factorial, right? In a 2n factorial in the reduced form is 1 into 2 into 3 and so on etc. 2n minus 2 into 2n minus 1 into 2n into 2n is divided by n factorial, right? In n factorial. The next one, grouping add term and even term. Grouping add and even terms. Add terms are 1 3 5 are odd terms, 1 3 5 and so on etc. 2n minus 1 is the odd term, 1 3 5 and so on etc. 2n minus 1, that is the odd term. And even terms are even terms 2 4 6 and so on etc. 2n minus 2 into 2n is divided by n factorial. Now grouping add and even terms are separate, that is the odd terms. This one is even terms are separate. The next one, write in 1 3 5 and so on etc. 2n minus 1 into 2 4 6 and so on etc. 2n minus 1 into 2n. Taking 2 is common outside, 2 is common, that is the 2 is common, taking outside, remaining 1 2 3 up to etc. n minus 1 into n minus 1 into n. So 2 values is taking outside here n times, so write in a 2 power n, 2 power n taking outside, 1 into 2 into 3 and so on etc. Taking 2 is outside, 2 times of n minus 1, 2n multiplied by 2, 2n minus 2, that is 2n. So 2 power n is taking outside, the remaining terms are 1, 2, 3 and so on etc. n minus 1 into n is divided by n factorial. The next one, 1 into 3 into 5 and so on etc. 2n minus 1 into 2 power n, 1 into 2 into 3 and so on etc. n minus 1 into n is n factorial. Already you know n factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 and so on etc. n. Now write in here n factorial is divided by n factorial. This n factorials are cancelled. The remaining term 1 into 3, 1 into 3 into 5 into and so on etc. 2n minus 1 into 2 power n. So prove the result is 2n factorial by n factorial is 2 power n, 1, 3, 5 and so on etc. 2n minus 1. So the result is 2 power n into 1, 3, 5 and so on etc. 2n minus 1. Hence proof.